POV, you scroll through your phone at 1:23 a.m. Everyone else looks happier, richer, more loved, more successful. You close the app, but the feeling stays. That quiet voice in your head whispers the same sentence it has whispered for years. You are not enough. You will never be enough. Welcome to the silent war inside every human who has ever felt this ache. Tonight we go all the way in. Why you never feel good enough and why that feeling might be the most powerful force in your life. Let's begin where the lie actually started. The day you were born. Imagine this, you're 5 years old. You bring home a drawing from school. Your parent looks at it for half a second and says that's nice before turning back to their phone. In that single moment, your brain learns the rule. Love and worth are not given freely. They must be earned over and over and over again. That single moment wired you for a lifetime of chasing approval that never quite arrives. Fast forward to today. Povi, you're 28 years old. You have the degree, the apartment, the followers, the paycheck that used to feel like victory. Yet every time you look in the mirror, the same thought hits. Not enough, not smart enough, not attractive enough, not successful enough. The goalposts keep moving. The moment you reach one level, the voice raises the bar again. You're running on a treadmill that was never meant to let you rest. Let me tell you a story that actually happened. Her name was Sophia, 33, top of her class in university. Six-figure job at a top firm, married to a man everyone envied. On paper she had everything. But every single night she stood in her luxury bathroom, staring at her reflection and whispered the same words. Why am I still not happy? She chased promotion after promotion. Bought the bigger house. Posted the perfect vacation photos. Each time she thought this time it will finally be enough. Each time the emptiness only grew louder. One night she broke down in front of her husband and admitted the truth she had hidden for 15 years. No matter what she achieved, she still felt like the little girl whose drawing was never good enough. That confession cracked her perfect life open because she finally realized the race was never about the finish line. It was about proving to a ghost from her childhood that she deserved to exist. This is not rare. This is the hidden script running in millions of minds right now. But here is where the story gets darker. Poovi, you're the one who finally gets everything society says should make you feel enough. Money, status, love, admiration. And yet the voice is louder than ever. Because now the fear changes shape. What if I lose all of this? What if they discover I am still the same unworthy person underneath? So you work harder. You smile bigger. You hide the cracks deeper. The very things you thought would silence the voice become the chains that keep it screaming. You become addicted to the chase because stopping would mean facing the truth. The feeling was never about what you lack on the outside. It was always about the wound on the inside. Why does this feeling never go away no matter how much you achieve? Three brutal truths no one says out loud. 1. Your brain was never wired for enough. It was wired for survival. In the ancient world, the person who felt content stopped striving and got left behind. So evolution made sure you always feel one step short. That hunger kept the species alive. Today it keeps you exhausted. 2. Society profits from your emptiness. Every ad, every influencer, every luxury brand is built on the promise that their product will finally make you feel enough. The moment you feel enough, their business dies. So they make sure you never do. 3. The people who raised you pass the wound to you. Most parents were never told they were enough either. They could not give you what they never received. So the cycle continues unless you choose to break it. Here is the twist no one sees coming. The people who finally feel enough are not the ones who finally achieve more. They are the ones who stop believing the voice in the first place. They look the feeling straight in the eyes and say, I see you, you're just an old program. You're not the truth. They stop chasing the next level and start living in the current one. They measure their worth by how they treat themselves when no one is watching. And slowly the voice gets quieter. Not because they became perfect, but because they stopped demanding perfection to feel human. So next time you lie awake at 1:23 a.m., scrolling through lives that look better than yours, remember this video, you're not broken. You are not unworthy, you are carrying a survival instinct that has been hijacked by a world that profits from your hunger. The question is simple. Will you keep running the race that was designed to have no finish line? Or will you finally step off the treadmill and decide today, right now, that you're already enough? You never feel good enough, but maybe the real power is realizing you never had to drop. A comment with the word "eno" if this exact feeling lives inside you. Every day, like if you want more dark truths that actually set you free. Subscribe and turn on notifications because the next POV is already coming to look you in the mirror. You're not alone in the emptiness, but you're the only one who can finally tell the voice it no longer gets to run your life. See you in the next one.